Ladies and gentlemen, there's Corinne, stuck in a pile of snow, as usual. She likes to go through the trees and crash. And now she's stuck in 4 feet of snow. Here she comes, slowly but surely. Corinne, wave to the camera! You see her? You see her slowly making her way this way. I just cried at tears full. She's finally making it out of the mountain. Slowly but surely, here she comes.
Oh, it's not open.
Hi, Corinne. How do you feel?
I'm so out of breath.
How was that little excursion through the forest?
There's like 4 feet of solid snow.